Alright guys, rocket. Today I'm going to show you how to extract text from any image in just a few seconds. No extra software needed. First, open the image that contains the text you want to copy. Now open Google Chrome. In the search bar, type google.com and press enter. Once Google opens, click on the images option at the top right corner. Now here's the important part: backhand index pointing down. Simply drag and drop your image into the search area. Give it a few seconds. Boom! Collision. Google automatically scans the image and detects all the text inside it. Now look for the Select All Text option. Click on it. You'll see all the text highlighted instantly. Now copy the text. Next, open Microsoft Word. Paste the copied text into Word. And that's it. Party popper. Now you can edit it, format it, resize it, change fonts, do whatever you want. Super simple. Super fast. No complicated tools required. If this helped you, make sure to like, share, and subscribe for more quick tech tricks. Rocket!